Do you want to know how you can streak freeze on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the streak freeze on Duolingo. So what you need to do is open Duolingo and you can see your streak over here. You must practice at least one lesson a day to maintain your streak. In case you have mistakenly forgotten your classes or if your account has been locked, you can buy the streak freeze option beforehand. So once you complete a lot of courses, the streak freeze option will appear on your screen on Duolingo app, or else what you can do is go to the settings for streak freeze Duolingo. Go ahead and tap on this option and you can see that each streak freeze only preserves your streak for one missed day. You can buy the streak freeze from Duolingo's official website. So go ahead and search for the streak freeze which you can buy on Duolingo. Scroll all the way down and you can see you can get the guide for Duolingo and you can easily buy the streak freeze. So guys, it's quite easy to buy streak freeze from Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.